Audio Jungle.
So, hi guys. Welcome sa ako YouTube channel and hello. So, first of all, ako rin si Russell G. Santillan and I am studying in CCUCC in Caraga State University in Cabalbaran Campus. So, my program is BS IT or Basic Information Technology. So, hi guys. So, na ako diri karon para ako i-explain sa inyo kung sa ang introduction to programming. So, proceed ta. So, ang programming language daw is ka-develop siya cycle. So, na siya cycle. So, a program is developed for a certain purpose and that is to provide a solution to a given problem using the computer. So, to do this, a programmer have to design an algorithm taken from the species of the basic steps arranged in the order necessary to shape up a solution. So, para daw ma-arrange siya, hingin mo kag algorithm to solve this situation or the problem para masolve din mo ang isa ka problema. So, na siya cycle, na siya step by step. Tibali. So, next is mga sila ang mga cycle. So, first one is defining and analyzing the problem. 2 is planning the solution. 3 is coding the solution. 4 test and debug the solution. 5 implementation, and the last 6 is maintenance and documentation. So malos lang 6 ang mga development cycle. So the one is defining and analyzing the problem. So the question normally asked at this stage is what task is to be done. So hence the most important thing to consider before solving a problem is to identify and define the exact problem to be solved. So dapat ising ka mo proceed sa isa ka problema, dapat i-identify sa nimo kung unsa gyud exact nga problema para masulbad ang isa ka problema to solve it. So to do the programmer charged with providing solution to problem must have a complete understanding about the needs and wants of the user. So dapat masabtan nimo unsa ang problema. Dapat nimo masolusyonan. O dapat makuha sa nimo exact niya. So dapat kung ano gyud siya i-analyze gyud mo kung maayo ang problema ba para masabtan nimo o para ma-solve nimo ang isa ka problema. So mo to ang defining and analyzing problem. So ikadawa is planning the solution. Planning the solution daw is one of the best techniques in writing a good program is by planning. Planning is a method of preparing the action steps in a logical manner to achieve a specific task. If we effectively plan our actions, it can considerably reduce time and effort in writing programs than we would without planning. So, dapat daw magplano sa daw bisin ang solution. Planning the solution. So, dapat magplano daw bisin ka mag-proceed sa isa ka problem. So, dapat planuhan gid mo maayo magkuan kag mga steps, mga algorithm, mga specific tasks ang gyud siya para makuha nimo isa ka solution. Dapat planuhan sa gyud. Wala gingon diri nga effort daw in writing programs than we would without planning. So, dapat may effort ka. Kung may effort, wala kayo magbuhat. So, number 3 is coding the solution. So, coding solution daw sa crucial to program development processes is coding. It is the stage where the defined procedure as described in the pseudocode. So, or visually symbolized via flowchart and transformed into a machine code through a programming language. So, kani mga pseudocode mga flowcharts, mga languages is ma-describe na ako siya in the next videos. Kani sila is naman na sila mga isa-isa mga topics sa mga ng mga flowcharts. So karon programming language is na-explain natin siya karon in a few minutes. So muna siya ang the code solution. Bear in mind that through the pseudocode or a flowchart serves as a blueprint daw, so which shows the exact flow of the steps in solving a problem. Yet this modeling tools is something beyond the machine's power of the comprehension. So na siya flow para mag-serve siya og isa ka step to solve a problem. So muna sa coding the solution. So number 4 is a testing and debugging the solution. Testing and debugging solution daw is the method of validating the program to ensure that will correctly work on the required task. Testing and debugging are closely related. A program is a run to test whether or not it conforms to the required process. If the rule of language is violated, it normally throws errors but generates results if the rule is appropriately followed. So dapat i-test sa video maayo para mabalaan mo kung unsa yung mga errors o unsa dapat yung utropon para masubay sa kasolusyon nimo mga problema. At dapat imo siyang i-test yun para makuha mo sa kasolusyon o para makuha mo siya makuha mo siya proseso. And then muna siya ang testing and debugging the solution. So and 5 is implement. So implement daw is after the program was tested and the output generated using a copy of the live data. So mga copy sa mga data daw. So conforms to the required output conditions. The actual use of the program begins. This time, the real-time or live data is mounted and the program is executed behind the strict supervision of the implementing programmer. So, grabe na kayo, no? Stick na kayo mga implementer ng programmer sa direct mga cycle. And then, grabe kayo na decide output. So, muna ang implementation guys. So, ang ikalas is ang maintenance and documentation. So, when you talk maintenance and documentation is when the program is effectively controlling the processing, the need for maintenance and documentation is mandatory. So, mandatory kayo, no? Ang mga pag-maintenance, ang mga document dapat naka-maintenance ko siya. One of the reasons is future reference. So, for example, ako magbuhat ko maintenance and documentation sa akong website kibali. Kay if simple ko dili pa karon if mamatay sa katao. Namugay mo sunod. So, dapat ato magsunod is kabalo sila kung unsa ni mao na. So, kabalo sila unsay ang ibag-o o unsay ang i-fix kay maintenance pa ko mga documentation. So it is inevitable that during the program's use, some changes might just need to be effected as when there are changes on company rules or on government policies. Like if new taxes or new tax rates are implemented, the effect brought about by the same changes necessarily affects the programming cycle and therefore like the rest the program had to be updated. So dapat updated ko kayo siya. So muna siya kitawag gamit sa documentation. So dapat updated ko kayo siya kay dili naman kita ano katag iyan ng program. So dapat napay musunod. So proceed. So what is programming language? So natay ko ang programming language. So, ang programming language is an artificial language that is a computer understand. So, kung ibali sa tao pa, di ba natin mga klase mga lingwahe na Filipino, Bisaya, English. mga ingana. And then lahi sa program, lahi sa computer. Sa computer daw is ang mga lahi-lahi ng mga languages nga basahon sa computer. A programming language daw is a set of instructions written by a programmer to deliver instructions to the computer to perform and accomplish a task. So, ang programming language daw is ang programming daw is nag-deliver siya instructions sa computer para basahon sa isa ka computer. Murag kuan siya languages na basahon sa computer. So, mao ni ang mga example sa mga languages. So, natay Python, Java, JavaScript, C#, C++, Ruby, daghan pa na natay mga JavaScript, mga daghan pa. Kasi klase pa ang mga like PHP, kasi klase pa ang mga programming language, daghan pa na. So, mao na sila mga example sa mga languages diri sa computer. So, proceed. So, algorithm daw. So, what is algorithm? So, an algorithm daw is a set of commands that must be followed for a computer to perform calculation or other problem-solving operations according to its normal definition. An algorithm is an infinite set of instructions carried out in a specific order to perform a particular task. So, an algorithm daw is nag-follow siya sa computer na i-calculate mo siya. So, kibali, step by step yun siya. In a step by step process that is completely the same way every time is an algorithm. So, step by step siya. Kibali, kung sa adobo pa, di ka pwede mo proceed largo babutang kag kaha. For example, niya,